Hi, I'm David with Silver Sea Shots, and this is the 320 GTC Saxdor 2024. Twin 300 horsepower Mercury V8, 4.6 liter. Teak table. That back seat will change positions and you can look to the back of the boat. Both of these balconies fold down on each side to give you maximum room. This is an electric table. It'll go up or down with the push of a button and drop down into a small little lounger. Here's the captain's chair. Has dual Simrad electronics. This one has radar, GPS, and then it has the joystick with the Skyhook electronic anchor, digital throttle and shifts, and this is your thruster, automatic tabs. Has a cabin down below, sleeps two, and then it has a bathroom with an electric flush head, a bowl sink. This has an inverter with air conditioning, and a JL audio stereo. This is your bow rider seating, and that's your catapult windlass with a stainless steel anchor and all chain. These are for the carbon fiber. These are for the shade in the front. That's the Simrad radar. Has windshield wipers. Even the door has a windshield wiper. It's an all-weather boat. Both the windows will close. The door will close. If you push that, the sunroof will close. And then for the downstairs sleeping area and bathroom, that'll close up and lock. Now we're fully enclosed. We have air conditioning and heat in here. Here's our 2-burner Kenyan cooktop. And there's our sink right there. There's a refrigerator right there. Another refrigerator right there. Swim step and ladder on the starboard side, right under that hatch. It's a 4-step ladder. Storage here. Seat covers, fire extinguisher. This is the 2024 320 GTC Saxdor.